Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Scorpios. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading. So we will start with these cards here. We have 10 of spheres in reverse, 8 of spheres in reverse, burning tower in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are in a situation, maybe thinking about something, thinking about something that needs to be done today, and you have people with you who were really honest, who were reliable, and today they are changing or they have changed. That is simply something you need to be really careful because you felt that they can be trusted and maybe you trust them with some decisions for yourself. Maybe in your work you may rely on them for something, some work to be done, something important, but they are turning against you for some reason, and it may be quite disappointing and it may be what to say, a change in their heart. So what is the reason for that? We do not know, but you need to be careful. Maybe today if you are making some important choices for yourself, you need to do it yourself instead of depending on someone, and you it may make you, if you rely on someone for some important decisions today, Scorpios, it is going to take you into some difficult circumstances. So a lot of confusion, doubt, and uncertainty. It may be the situation in your relationship. So today, if you are deciding something for this love, for this relationship, you must do it by yourself instead of talking to people or talking to friends, consulting with a family member. You must think for yourself. And there are a lot of difficulties you need to overcome. Many obstacles are there on the path. So you want certain things for yourself. Maybe you love this person, but there are many obstacles you need to face to be with them, to be in this relationship with them. So if you have that determination, determined attitude, you will be able to see success in this relationship. So you need to, what to say, have that spirit in your heart deep down. No matter what happens, you need to go the distance, have that grit and perseverance if you want this relationship to work, because there are a lot of difficulties and obstacles. Something unexpected may come your way today, Scorpios. Maybe this person may tell you something, or circumstances may be something very unexpected turn of events, maybe simply catching you by surprise. But you need to be ready for whatever it is if you want this person. That is what this card is about. So we'll see what is the card for your relationship. It's Papas in reverse. So maybe, just like the previous cards, what I said, maybe you're having that deep trust on someone. Maybe today this person is not to be trusted. Maybe if they have an important role in this relationship, you are trusting someone for some ideas or suggestions, someone really close to you. It may even be a family member, but this whatever this person is telling you may be just mere gossip. So you should not trust gossips, whatever you hear about this person or about this person you are in relationship with. So you should not listen to the gossips you hear. You must go for your intuition, think clearly, and make a choice if you need to make a choice today about this relationship, Scorpios. So, for your career situation, Scorpios, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's the sun. So things are moving towards something positive, something really good. So you're going to get a lot of good opportunities today, opportunities for success, happiness, and things will fall into place in your career and even in your relationship. Whatever difficulties you are seeing, it all that may dissolve, Scorpios. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So, for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So, in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, um, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So, this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? It is time for you to forgive or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not uh, to change some circumstance. It is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be. when we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So, if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness, and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So, if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry, make amends, and move forward with your life. So, that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a crystal spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you must, give up all that fear you have in this relationship, and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship, and when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So, you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co create it today. So, when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for you all, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.